Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open a crypto.com wallet. First, you'll want to download the crypto.com app from your mobile device's app store, available on both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app and begin the registration process by entering your email address. You'll then receive an email with a verification link. Click this link to confirm your email and proceed to the next exciting step of setting up your new digital asset wallet. It's a straightforward process to get started. Next, you'll need to complete the essential identity verification, also known as Know Your Customer or KYC. This crucial step ensures the security of your account and compliance with regulations. You will be prompted to provide a clear image of a valid government-issued photo identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Following this, you'll take a clear, well-lit selfie for facial recognition. This process typically takes only a few minutes to complete, helping to keep your funds safe and secure. Security is paramount when dealing with digital assets, so let's secure your new wallet. First, create a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Then, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator for an extra layer of protection. Finally, set up a 6-digit passcode for quick and secure access to the app on your device. These steps are vital for safeguarding your investments. With your account set up and secured, it's time to fund your wallet and begin your journey. You can easily link a bank account or a debit card to deposit fiat currency, like US dollars or euros. Alternatively, you can transfer existing cryptocurrency from another wallet. Once funded, take some time to explore the app's various features, including buying, selling, and staking different digital assets. Welcome to the world of digital finance. Your new wallet is ready for action.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.